Welcome. If you've ever wanted to find a specific channel on Telegram but weren't sure how to, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps you need to follow so you can quickly search for and join any channel you're looking for. It's easier than you think, and once you know how, you'll be able to do it in just a few seconds. First, grab your phone and open the Telegram app. This works the same whether you're on Android or iPhone, so no matter what device you have, you're good to go. As soon as Telegram opens, take a look at the very top of the screen. You'll see the search bar waiting right there for you. That's the key to finding everything you need on the platform. Go ahead and tap on that search bar. This is where you can type in the name of the channel you're looking for. Start entering the channel's name, and Telegram will instantly begin showing you a list of results as you type. Be exact with the spelling if you already know the channel name, but if you're not entirely sure, just type the keywords you remember, and Telegram will still suggest the closest matches. From there, it's as simple as scrolling through the search results. When you see the channel you want, just tap on it to open it. Once the channel opens, you'll be able to view the content inside. If it's the right channel, you can go ahead and press join to become a member, and from then on, you'll see their updates right in your Telegram feed. And that's it. You've successfully searched for and found a Telegram channel. By following these quick steps, opening the app, tapping the search bar, typing the channel name, and selecting it from the results, you can instantly connect with any community, interest group, or news source you want. Now you know exactly how to search a channel on Telegram. Updated and simple for today. Give it a try the next time you're looking to join a new channel, and you'll see just how effortless it really is.